What's up, everybody? Today doing a little bit more work with the grapple. I've got a spot down here I've been cleaning up. I've got a lot of down trees laying there, mostly from the tree puller or some stumps that I'd cut a couple years ago and that sprouted back. So let's get with it. Well, alright, I think I'm going to call that good. So you're seeing this in the grapple video, so a little bit of background on this spot here is the previous owner had cleaned out a pond and he had dumped all of his extra clay and dirt in this area right here. It's probably, I'd say maybe close to an acre, 3/4 of an acre, somewhere around there. Anyway, there were mounds here where he had dumped it from a front end loader. And some of those mounds were probably approaching 6 feet tall. And so I've had to come in. Well, that's a problem. I couldn't get in here really to do anything with it. And all of these black willows just kind of started growing in the low spots where it stayed wet. And it's clay. So that's a lot of what you're seeing of these black willows. I cut them a couple years ago and I sprouted back. I didn't treat the stumps. But so yeah, I'm coming back. I finally got a stump bucket and a tree puller. So between the stump bucket, tree puller, and the grapple here, I'm finally getting this little area cleaned up. And I had to kind of go in phases because of these humps. So I had to clean up a spot and then kind of even it out where I can get in there and clean some more out, and then even that spot out. So it's a process. I'm glad to finally be able to get it done, but it's just one of those things. It's kind of a pain because these humps in here, and I couldn't really get in here. And you may be able to tell from the video where it's real unsteady and an uneven terrain, and that's why, is because these humps were in here. And so I've got a lot of it smoothed out. Still got a lot more to go. So anyways, yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Just want to tell you guys thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out the video. If you enjoyed this at all, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you hadn't. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.